All right, we've got all wiring connected now. Battery, starter relay, fuse box. All should be good. The new turn signal side mirrors. New headlight. Also notice there's a couple of little hidden bulbs that weren't working on the previous assembly. So, let's check it out. EFI. EFI works. Turn signal. Hazards. Everybody's working. And, oh, the horn was not working on this bike. It had failed. So I swapped the horn over from red bike and she works. So all electrics working perfectly. Just want to get all that, making sure, 100% perfect before we move on to installing the body and all that. So it's looking good. Oh, and replace the left fork leg also because it was leaking fork oil down below. So all good.